Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Wow, so many colors. Stay with us. Forest green color. Kids, next one is yellow green color. Stay with us in the color of vivid green. And the next one is emerald green color. Now we open the color of pale pink color. Wow. The next one is vivid purple color. Now we open the color of rose beige color. And the next one is Persian blue color. Wow. Yellow color. Raw silk color. Now we open the color of light violet. And the next one is black. Now we open the color of mint blue. And the next one is, yes, warm gray color. Exactly. The next one is deep olive green color. So many colors. Cool gray color. And the next one is scarlet color. Now we open the color of lavender color. And the next one is pale blue light color. Pale blue light color. Yes, geranium color. The next one is pastel pink color. Now we open the color of baby blue. The next one is coral red. And the last one is cream color. Kids, today we write in capital letter alphabets A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and the last one is Z.